Hello everyone, my name is Torian Taylor. I am at District 8 and I work for District 8 as a mentor and a community organizer. What I love about my district is we are big on relationships is the new prosperity. We connect with everyone and there are no status caps. You could be next to the president or next to the mayor in this district because we're so wholesome. We treat everyone like family, and this is what I love about my community. It's a great community, District 8, I love it, and I've always been a part of it.